Conclusion. My honest opinion. Over the past week, I have been using the Neohipo H1 USB DAC. It has enhanced both my hi-fi and gaming audio experience. There is no need for high-end sound cards or additional drivers. The built-in hardware equalizer delivers an impressive bass and treble boost, resulting in a more detailed and lifelike sounds. I also really enjoy using the smooth and large volume knobs. Overall, highly recommend this product. You can find this buying link in the description.